This is how your new Pro 550 holster is going to come. The first thing you're going to want to do is this little clip here. If you push it all the way down, it'll stay locked open. And then to release it, you just hit those two little side tabs and it'll pop back up. It's a little bit easier to thread if it's open. You're going to take your Pro 550 Plus. I like going around like this. Pull it tight there, and then you're just going to kind of center that this middle strap here in between your two toggles. Then around the back, just going to start coming down these little round circles. Like that. Come through this one. Then you're just going to go all the way down the back here. Through that one. I just kind of like to snug them up as you're coming down. Then come through this bottom tab here. And just hit those two little tabs and it's locked. And obviously when you're, keep looking at the front to make sure it's lined up. And then what I usually do is once I have it there pretty good, come back through, snug it up a little bit. It's just a little bit of adjustment. That's how it is.